Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I have no idea what channel I'm gonna be posting this on. What channel? So
It doesn't matter.
okay. So, anyways, I'll be posting this to my source channel, even though this will not be short. This will be my very first long video on my source channel. If you guys want me to do more long videos on my source channel, drop this video a like.
And leave a comment as well.
Yes. And so guys, so for dinner, which I haven't had for a very long time, is I have Wendy's and Wendy fries. And if you guys see like where do you see them hitting? Do you see them hidden logo like?
The hidden logo?
Yes.
No, I don't, Zach.
Okay. If you come where I am.
Yes.
Now, okay. If you look, literally look right there.
Oh.
Do you know what that spells?
No.
Mom.
Oh, okay.
It literally spells mom. M-O-M.
Yeah, that's true.
I never noticed that.
Neither did I. Like, what the hell?
Yeah. Rip.
Rip
What?
my ass.
Rip. What's up, Sky?
Yeah, in this case, yeah. Big old crusty fella.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Anyways. Good. Damn it. I need a new phone case. For like making video.
Stay off, please.
For like making videos and whatnot. Okay, yeah, so guys.
If this phone could stay out for a couple seconds.
Yes. So in today's video, guys, I will be doing the spicy chicken challenge. And can I have a drum roll, please?
Price can stay over. There it is.
Chicken, the spicy chicken sandwich. Let's see how it is. Sorry.
Yeah.
Why? Okay.
Mayo with the spicy chicken.
Yes. And I wonder if it's gonna be spicy like the spicy chicken Pringles.
Who knows?
Excuse me.
You. I was about to say.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Your ass has got to be asking for it.
I'm getting that spiciness. That is good.
Zach?
Yep.
Your ass is got to be asking for it. I don't know if you heard like screaming coming from the bathroom downstairs a couple nights ago.
Nope. That was from you.
Yeah. That scream was coming from me because I had some tacos with
Chili.
hot sauce.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And folks, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about.
Yes. The chicken is good.
Spicy.
It is spicy. Mayo is good. The tomato is wonderful. The lettuce, mamma mia, and
Acito.
yes, and the burger itself, as Paul would say, mamma mia. Have a little in.
Have a little in it.
Have a little Italian. Right?
Yep. Sorry.
Yes, I get.
That's the bear talking.
Yep. Norton, what's your famous line? It starts with a Y and ends with a T.
Yeet?
Yep. can Windows King have a rate in the
comment
comment?
section below, please.
So now let's give this spicy chicken one more try.
I've yet to try that myself, back, and to be honest, I miss me some Wendy's. Sorry, I'm just hyped. I'm really hungry tonight.
Spicy chicken is good. You get that sort of heat. Nice kick to it.
It's not like Louisiana heat though.
Yeah. Well, is you get a bit of heat, but it's not like the California Reaper. Put it that way.
Oh, the ghost pepper.
Yeah, exactly. So after when I'm done with my burger, I will show you guys where. Do you mind just showing my viewers the sunset?
Yeah, might as well. So guys, if you come with me, beautiful sunset there, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry.
That's the beer talking.
Yeah, it is the beer talking.
Yes. Yeah, I think you're good.
Yeah, there we go.
Now that's perfect. Hey, my friend Tony is typing.
10 year.
Yeah,
Now, for those,
from Tony. Okay. Normally I don't say my friends' names, but yeah. So hopefully my friend Tony doesn't mind. Yeah. So yeah. So anyways, these, as you guys can see here,
the spicy
See,
habanero chicken.
the spicy chicken is good. It has a bit of a kick to it, which I like. It's not too spicy, and it's not too like non-spicy.
It doesn't share in your stomach
Yeah.
like certain hot spices does.
Yes. Yeah. So guys, I would probably say go out and
Grab one.
grab one because I recommend it.
Yeah.
If you guys are a big fan of spicy, like when Nothing King Champion is,
Yeah. What the fuck called your ass and that boy?
and he's taking a picture of the sunset. Hey Dalton,
I don't have my phone on me.
you like spicy stuff, right?
Yes, I do.
This is now this is definitely for you. If yeah.
Yeah. That's if I can handle it though.
Yeah. Well, if you guys enjoy spicy food, this is for you.
Leave a like. Leave
Yeah.
a like.
Leave a like. I recommend you go out to your
Local Wendy's.
local Wendy's. For me, is either Melville, Canada, or Barhaven. Well, Canada would be in the
The local Wendy's would be canal for us.
yes.
Or Liquid Fields for that fucking matter. Before it burnt down.
Yes. Now, hopefully I'm hoping they'll yeah. Let's hope they are building a new Wendy's, because the employee who built that burnt down.
You're a dipshit.
Yeah, because that was the closest Wendy's to Win Nothing King and Champion and I.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't had Wendy's since that place burnt down.
Yeah. And besides, the only closest Wendy's outside that one was fucking Canada.
Yeah. And if you guys are wondering what this is cherry cream soda. If I haven't said that in the beginning of the video, and yeah. Anyways, folks, my name is Zachary Ross. Anyways, My name is Zachary Ross, aka Mr. Zach Source. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay spicy, my friends. Peace.
Stay frosty.
And stay 99 cents.
Frosty.
Yes, peace. Stay spicy.